iPhone vibrations are helpful as they provide non-disruptive, tactile alerts for calls, notifications, and accessibility cues. Ensure that the system vibration is on. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Accessibility Settings, and scroll to Touch option. Again, scroll and turn on the vibration toggle. Now, go back to Settings to set vibration on Silent or Always. Scroll to the Sounds and Haptics option, tap on the Haptics option, and enable the Prefer Vibration option. Select Always Play for haptics will play when the iPhone rings or receives an alert. Otherwise, select Play in Silent mode for haptics will play when the iPhone rings or receives an alert while in silent mode. These two options help you enable vibration on your iPhone. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.